Okay, just wanted to make a little video coming at you live from my bedroom. Having an issue with this EOS R camera. Oh, that's a strange focus. It's focusing on the lens. Anyway, the issue is that it won't turn on. And I didn't do anything unusual with the camera. It's been functioning fine. I just bought this off eBay used, but it's in excellent condition. Like less than, a few thousand shutter activations. But I just used it for a few weeks and I would notice that sometimes it just won't turn on. Like, I used it this morning for 10 minutes or so, and then I shut it off, left it on the counter for about an hour, and came back to find that it just doesn't turn on. And normally this LCD screen is illuminated and showing like M for like manual mode, which is usually what it's in. I thought it was really strange though that this has occurred, and it's already occurred after having this camera only for a few weeks. It's already occurred 4 or 5 times. And it's kind of annoying, and I'm wondering if this is a bug with the software of the camera or if it is broken. If there's a problem with circuitry or something that won't allow it to turn on. As you can see, make sure we're in focus here. Yeah. Turn on, nothing happens. LCD screen doesn't turn on. The main display. Here, I'll try this again. Let's try to focus this well. There we go. See? Nothing on the screen. Just won't turn on. And the only way that I found to get the camera to function again is to do this. Pull out the battery, which is authentic Canon LP E6N, by the way. I have lots of them. They're all genuine. And look at that. Now it's showing manual mode. The LCD screen is activated. When I flip the switch, camera turns on. So it's really strange. If I'm going to use this camera to shoot weddings or events or something, I kind of need it to turn on when I ask it to turn on and not have to worry about yanking the battery every time. So just want to put this out there and see if anyone has had any issues similar with the EOS R, and whether I should be sending this thing back to the guy on eBay I bought it from, because maybe it does have some permanent damage or something that I don't know about. Although this camera, like many others sold on eBay these days, are in very new condition with light use. So I don't know, I'm thinking that it could just be a factory dud or something. Anyways, let me know what you think. Comments. I'm going to post this to many photography forums that I know about. And yeah, I'd like to get this resolved, or maybe get a new camera if this one's not functional. Anyways, thank you.